It was a special day. It's something that we've worked so hard towards, and obviously it finally came upon us, and we seized the moment. So it was a special moment for myself personally in my career, a special moment for my family, and definitely a special moment for the nation. You dream as a kid about scoring those sorts of goals. It's always nice when you can help the team in that way, but hopefully now we can build on that and really get some momentum in this tournament.
It was one of the moments that will go right up there in my career so far, you know. Playing in a major tournament is what I dream of doing as a kid, and to be part of that team and to come off the pitch with 3 points yesterday, and with the fans, you know, they were excellent. So no, it was one of them days I'll never forget. To walk out and sing the anthem with them boys is special, because it's a pleasure to be a part of this team, and to have the likes of Joe, Alan fit for the game was extra special, and it was a shame Wayne couldn't be fit, and fair play to Danny Ward for stepping in and doing an excellent job.
Everyone really is together. You know, we have that together stronger slogan, but it's so much more than that. It's something that we really do believe in. It almost feels like a club environment, and it really does. You know, we've been together for 7, 8, 9 years, some of us playing with and against each other at club level, so we know each other inside and out. And I think that's starting to show in our performances, and more importantly in our results.
Something special, and I've never been involved in something like this, and we're all like brothers, and we show that on and off the pitch. We do have the best fans in this competition, and as they showed on the international stage last night again, you know, the place was rocking. It was like we're playing at home, and I think that really does help us.
We've done well in our first game, but we're all professionals. We all pride ourselves on doing as well as we can, so we won't be resting on our laurels. We'll be looking to build on what we've done, and that'll be going into the England game with a full focus on getting a positive result.